Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how students can change their profile picture on Zoom app using mobile phone, and how teacher can stop screen sharing of students on Zoom app. The teachers should know who is the students, and students profile picture will mean this students according to this class, so that the profile picture is most important. Students can change their profile pictures so that the teacher can able to identify these students from our class. The teachers can stop screen sharing of the student so that the teacher can share their screen and they can take their online class peacefully. Let's see how to do in the mobile. So in this I'm going to take a Zoom app. So it will ask you whether join meeting, sign in option, sign up option. Using this you need to sign in, click Google account. So it will automatically direct you to your Google account, which account you want to sign in. I just select my account name. Yes. So I can able to launch the Zoom app. Just hit launch Zoom. So automatically it will direct you into a Zoom app, so that in this Zoom app you can schedule the meeting, join the meeting, new meeting, and screen share option will be available. Click the setting button. You will find there is a profile picture on top. Just hit the button. So you will find a different kind of profile picture will be available. Just select this and select the left arrow and you will find a profile picture. So select the picture and take photo or choose photo. Just select take photo or choose photo, select your picture. Yeah, so you can arrange and place your picture. So your picture will be added here, and your account name and your display name should be your name, as well as Martin and Joseph. I can give my name and click OK. So this is an easy step. You can make your profile picture so the teachers can see. So now if you want to join the meeting or start the meeting, your profile picture will be added here. I just click a new meeting. So start meeting. So automatically my camera will on. I just automatically now my camera will on. I just click stop video. Automatically my profile picture will be added in my screen, so that this is easiest way you can able to show your name as well as your profile picture, so that the teachers can analyze who is the students and who is the teacher, everything. Your name also is available in the downside. So this is the easiest way. Now I would like to show how to stop screen sharing by the students. Once you schedule the meeting, just schedule the meeting or start the meeting, just hit the button new meeting, start meeting. So automatically your meeting will start here. Just give stop video, and so automatically your meeting will start here. Just click more option, meeting setting, and you will find allow participant, share screen and chat with everyone. You can choose host only, because the students can chat with me and I can able to give the answer. Otherwise you can give everyone. So according to your thing, you can able to make locked meeting. Means if the students is entering after your hours started, for example your class time is 10 o'clock, you may give up to 10:05 the students can join, so that if you press lock meeting, automatically students cannot enter into the meeting. And the waiting room also will be available. You can ask the students to wait in the waiting room option, so that rename themselves and unmute themselves. You can ask unmute themselves or rename their name itself. So the meeting topic and everything will be available as per the thing. Show non-video participant, show video participant. You can able to see the all informations in this. I just close this thing, so you can able to share your screen according to your drives or documents or pictures. I would like to share the share whiteboard, so you can able to draw your picture or something else you can write and give. Just to type, just to give the information 1 plus 3 equal to 4. You can mention like this, so you can draw and you can erase automatically. It will erase. So the max students or account students may use the whiteboard option, so that they can able to use stop screen sharing option will be available. The participation list will be available. You can mute all or you can mute independently. So according to your needs, you can click end meeting or leave meeting. You can leave or end meeting all. The easy step, the students can make their profile picture, as well as the teachers can stop giving the access for the screen sharing options. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.